What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and in this video we are going to do a quick unboxing of Realme 10 smartphone. So we will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs while performing all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got huge 10 branding, the Realme branding. On the back we got the information that Realme 10 comes with 90Hz Super AMOLED display with MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, 5000 mAh battery and 50 MP primary camera. The device we got inside comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and the color variant we got is Rush Black. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. Welcome to Realme family. So here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin, some quick start guide, user manuals, a silicon TPU case for the back panel. As you can see, it's slightly grayish blackish, it's not totally white. Here is our Realme 10 in Rush Black. We got a 33-watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Realme 10, the smartphone, the back panel case, some quick start guide, USB Type-C cable, 33-watt charger and this SIM card tray ejector pin. So here is Realme 10 in Rush Black and it's super gorgeous. You can see it's not totally black, it's kind of bluish purplish and it's looking very beautiful and eye-catching considering how the light is reflecting and the glittering effect we got on the back panel here. So now I'm going to go through the setup process and after that we will have a detailed look on our Realme 10 here. And here we go. So the setup process is completed and we are good to go with our Realme 10 here. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a 6.4-inch display with 85% screen to body ratio. The bezels on the sides are quite thin. We got a bit of chin, but considering the price segment, this is totally acceptable. The top bezel is also quite thin. And we got punch hole on the left side consisting of front-facing camera. Right above the display there is earpiece and there is a physical proximity sensor provided as well. At the top we got the secondary microphone. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, and there is a 3.5mm jack provided as well. It comes with 2 nano SIM card slots and a dedicated micro SD card slot. So this is quite nice for sure that even though it comes with huge 256GB storage, there is a dedicated micro SD card slot provided as well. And as you can see, there is a gasket provided for better sealing of the SIM card slot. But still it does not come with any kind of official IP certification for being splash resistant. So it would be nice if Realme could go with at least the basic IP52 splash resistance and dust protection on Realme 10, but as you can see, there is some slight protection provided in terms of sealing from Realme. On the right hand side, we got the power key beneath which there is fingerprint sensor embedded, and then we got the volume rockers. The edges are slightly chamfered on the front side as well as on the back, and because of the 7.9mm thickness and just 178 grams weight, Realme 10 is very easy to use with one hand, and the matte finished side frame and the chamfered edges also contribute in the overall grip of the device. But the most beautiful part of the design of Realme 10 is the back panel. As you can see that it comes with thousands of these glittering particles, giving this device a very premium, eye-catching and glamorous look. And we also got this bending of the light particle with some rainbow effect that also is quite eye-catching. There is no camera island on Realme 10. We just got 2 circular rings for the lenses. The second lens could be pretty small considering it got just 2-megapixel sensor, but for the sake of symmetry, Realme went with the same size circular rings. So this is one beautiful, gorgeous looking back panel we got on our Realme 10. The placement of the fingerprint sensor is perfect as it is easily reaching the thumb of my right hand, and if you are a left-handed person, then you will be able to use and unlock the device using your index finger very easily. Talking about the display, we got a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, Full HD Plus resolution and 85% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is 410, and because of that the display is quite sharp. The viewing angles are great as well, and the huge screen to body ratio provides a nice viewing experience. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and it also comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied, so we got dual protection on the display of Realme 10 here. It comes with 90Hz refresh rate that provides a smooth visual experience while using Realme 10, and it also comes with video color enhancer that enhances the SDR video to HDR video for better viewing experience. Now talking about the software, Realme comes with Android 12 and Realme UI 3.0. If you have watched our Realme 10 Pro Plus video, then you know that the high-end model comes with Android 13 and Realme UI 4, but we got the older version on our Realme 10. Hopefully it will be upgraded to Android 13 and Realme 4 very soon with an official update, but right out of the box this is what you will get. But Realme UI 3 is still quite feature rich, as it comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to customize your experience with the device and improve your productivity. On the home screen you will find a folder containing all of the Google applications, and then we got some Realme UI apps like the App Market, Caller App Messages, Gallery, Clock, Phone Manager, My Files, Music, Videos, etc. But you can see that the Realme 10 comes with lots of bloatware. So you got plenty of stuff going on here when it comes to third-party application. But the good part is that you can easily uninstall them if you do not want any of these bloatware third-party applications that come pre-installed on Realme 10 here. Now talking about the camera, we got 50 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 16 megapixel front facing camera. So in terms of rear camera setup, it is a bit downgraded from Realme 9 because the wide angle lens is gone from the Realme 10. If you launch the camera app, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with HDR mode. We got the AI scene enhancement. You can record 1080p resolution videos up to 60 FPS. There is no 4K recording available on Realme 10, as you can see. It also comes with the street mode that we have seen on the Realme 10 Pro Plus. It also comes with the dedicated night mode. There is a portrait mode provided. There is dedicated 50 megapixel photo mode as well, and if you go to the mode section you can see that it comes with pro mode, panorama, movie, slow motion, time lapse, dual view video, text scanner, and there's still shift mode as well. So we got plenty of options here. We will have a look on all of these in our detailed review of Realme 10, but right now I just wanted to give you a brief idea about the options and features available on Realme 10 camera. And as you can see, even though we got plenty of camera modes and features here, there is no 4K recording and wide angle lens provided on Realme 10. Overall, Realme 10 is looking a very impressive and pretty solid device in its price segment, as it comes with solid hardware specs, huge storage, dedicated microSD card slot, 3.5mm jack, Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and quite good screen to body ratio with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, huge battery capacity, fast battery charging speed in its segment, and a gorgeous looking back panel. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. Many more videos of Realme 10 are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.